Hello viewers, welcome to TechnoFacts Technical Study channel, and in this video we'll discuss about the active and passive components. First of all, active components. What is active components? Which components or device can generate the energy or can shift the energy level or power level from one level to other level are called active components. These are the non-linear components. What is the meaning of non-linear? If we increase the voltage, then current will be not increase the linearly, or if you increase the current, then voltage will not be increased the linearly. Those type of components are called non-linear components. Batteries, generators, operational amplifiers, etc. are the example of active components or elements or devices. In this slide we can see the various type of active components. In the left side, here are semiconductor type components, and in the right side, tube type components. We are having two basic tube type components, vacuum tube and gas tube. Those are the diode, triode, pentode or thertone. In this image, we can see the image of vacuum tube, and in this image, we can see the image of gas tube type components. In the left side, semiconductor type components, those are diode, BJT, FET, MOSFET, SCR and UJT. Diode. This is the image of diode, BJT. Bipolar junction transistor. This is the image of BJT. FET, field effect transistor. This is the image of FET. MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. This is the image of MOSFET. SCR, silicon control rectifier or thyristor. This is the image of SCR. UJT, unijunction transistor. This is the image of UJT. Now, what is the passive components? Which components drop the energy, that could be voltage or current, in the form of heat are called passive components. Passive components cannot generate or cannot change the energy level from one energy level to other energy level. In other words, we can say that passive components cannot amplify the voltage or cannot amplify the current. Passive components are linear components. What is the linear component? If we increase the voltage, then the value of current will be increased linearly, or if you increase the current, then value of voltage will be increased linearly. Those are the linear component. Resistor, capacitor, inductor, etc. are the example of passive components or elements or devices. In this slide, we can see the various type of passive components: resistor, inductor, and capacitor. This is the image of resistor. This is the image of inductor, and this is the image of capacitor. We are having a two type of capacitor. This one in the left side is ceramic type, and this one in the right side is electrolyte type. So this was the active and passive components. Thanks for watching this video. Technofacts.